be willing to put our big boy pants on. You're doing the same day in, day out, and you're not getting the results you want to see. That's this week too. Look, that is this week. You're not seeing the results you want to see. You might be insane, but guess what? It's gonna be all right. Now, like I said, you might have to go to St. Louis if you're doing DoorDash. You might have to pull up on Pedro. Hey, what's up, Mr. Bet on You? I'm about to work your zone. I need a couple dollars. You might have to do that. You know what I'm saying? You might have to go on down to Collinsville. Hey, I'm pulling up. I'm trying to do some Uber. Yeah. I'm up the road about 10 miles, but guess what? I'm pulling up in your hood today. I need some money. You gotta do that sometimes. Hey, Walmart Spark don't want to give you no money. Guess what? Go on over to the next Walmart zone. You might find you a couple dollars over there. That boy that made damn near, that's 500, 467, 465, 17 and confirmed, 37, 15 and unconfirmed tips. Huh, man? You see my eyeball? Oh, hold on. 23 for 18? Nah. 23 for 18? Nah, I'm cool. Walmart Spark drivers, I got a little tip for you. So if it's slow out there and you're not getting no orders, right? You came out to work, you're trying to make that money, you're not getting no orders at your local Wally World, I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. Hold on, let me hit this GPS one time. Open up a support chat. You know, hit the little message box, open up a support chat, get you a support agent on the horn, right? Ask them straight up, say, hey, what's the order volume currently for my area? And if you ask the support agent that, they'll straight up let you know, like, hey, FDA Dash and Trader, you have a low order volume currently for the Walmarts in your zone. And that way, you can know which stores you need to be at when you're trying to make that money. So my local store, the one that I make most of my money at, the one that's closest to me, that's the Glen Carbon. I hit up support. They say the order volume is low at that store. If you want to get orders, you got to go to a different location. You ain't got to go to a whole different zone, but you want to go to a different Walmart within your zone because they definitely send out them orders based on proximity. Sometimes they might send out some orders that's been hanging around for a couple hours. They'll send them out kind of far, you know, maybe calling you over to a Walmart, but when the volume is low, you got to be within proximity to get them orders. So I said, you know what? It's all good. I got this little Walmart Spark incentive that I'm trying to knock out real quick. I'm going to go ahead and go to this other Walmart so that I can make this money and not sit up here and battle with the other drivers. Because when you have low order volume, that means any orders that come through, you're going to be fighting with all the other drivers up there for those orders. I was in the parking lot the other day talking to about four drivers in my zone. They only do shopping orders. That's all they do. Okay? They don't even pick up curbside. They hadn't got no orders all morning. It was about 11 o'clock. We was huddled up like a damn football team in the Walmart parking lot, you hear me? So we in the parking lot, we all talking about how we ain't got no damn orders. So I'm like, shit, I'm talking to them, but I'm thinking to myself like, shit, we all sitting here talking to each other, ain't nobody got no order. I ain't about to be sitting here talking to y'all no more. I'm about to go to a different store tomorrow, because look, check this out. If we all sitting here talking at the same time, that means it really ain't no orders out here. We shouldn't even have enough time to sit around and congregate like this. That was the red line. That was the red flag for me. I said, okay, I'm not coming back to this store for at least 5 days. Because there ain't no way I'm finna hit this incentive sticking around here, because they not getting orders. And all of them got better ratings than me. All of them. So if they ain't making no money, it ain't no money to be made. So if you out there and you sitting at Walmart for over an hour, you not getting no orders, hit your earnings tab, hit the top right corner, hit the little message box, hit the little question box, open the support chat, ask them straight up, hey, I'm trying to make a couple dollars. Is it any orders out here? Let me know something. Because I ain't about to sit here for another hour, watch people pull up, and I ain't getting nothing. You go ahead and let them know, and then, hey, either it's orders out here, or they'll let you know if the order's gonna be dropping at a certain time. They've told me certain times, like, hey, the order volume is low from 12 to 2 p.m. But at 3:30 p.m., we expecting an increased order volume. Check this out. If you got Walmart Plus, open up Walmart Plus and act like you finna place a delivery. Same way we do with DoorDash, you know, as drivers, we sometimes download the consumer app and then we'll place an order on DoorDash to see how much the difference is between you paying on DoorDash versus if you go pick it up yourself. We do that sometimes. You can do the same thing with Walmart Spark. Download Walmart, or if you got Walmart Plus, even better. See if they got pickup slots in your area for the Walmart you're trying to work at. If they don't got no pickup times for that day, that means it's gonna be all. If you can't place an express order at your Walmart, start going ham. As soon as I start going hard, my connection went. But look, this is what I'm trying to tell you, okay? You got to think about app on both sides of the equation. You got to think about the dasher or the driver side of the app, but you also got to look at it from the consumer side. If you start thinking like how the consumer thinks, then you can make more money as a driver. So they didn't have no time slots out here in Wood River. You couldn't even pay extra for express. I said, okay, boom, they finna have all shopping delivers going out of that Walmart. Got 2 minutes into the Walmart drop, guys. I ain't got nothing yet. But let me show you guys this though. I need to get 10 trips done. So today's the last day. I have 7 trips done right now. I need 3 more to get that extra 30 bucks. And then if I get 4 more done after that, I'll get an additional. Get out there and make you $500 in 2 days. It don't matter what app you use. I'm gonna keep it 100. For this week, for 2 days, basically, I've done 1 order today, okay? You can do this too. All you gotta do is wake up and say, I'm not letting shit hold me back.